Welcome to an enlightening journey where the mysteries of the universe unfold, revealing the path to financial abundance. This video, inspired by the transformative wisdom of Neville Goddard, deciphers 15 signs indicating that wealth is swiftly approaching your life. Dive into mystical teachings that unveil how the universe whispers promises of prosperity and guide you towards your financial destiny. As we explore these signs, you'll learn to tune in to the universe's subtle messages, aligning with the flow of abundance. Each sign serves as a beacon of hope, illuminating your path to prosperity. Get ready to open your mind and heart to the possibilities that await. This journey is more than a lesson. It's an invitation to a life where abundance is not just a dream but a reality. Are you prepared to listen to what the universe has to say? Let's begin. Sign 1. Worrying less about money. Embracing Neville Goddard's insight that our thoughts shape our reality. Noticing your worries about money fading away is a significant marker on your journey to abundance. It's like you've been carrying a heavy bag full of financial fears, and suddenly it feels lighter. This shift doesn't mean you're ignoring your financial responsibilities. Instead, it reflects a deeper trust in the universe's abundant nature, a core theme in Goddard's teachings. You begin to understand that being stressed over money blocks its flow into your life. By adopting a more relaxed and trusting mindset, you align yourself with the universe's frequencies of abundance. This serene trust in your financial journey is a direct application of Goddard's philosophy, aligning your emotional and mental state with the positive, supportive energies of the universe, inviting prosperity to manifest more freely in your life. Sign 2. Shifting money mindset. When you start seeing money in a new light, it's a clear indicator that abundance is making its way to you. Instead of viewing money through a lens of scarcity, like it's always just out of reach, you begin to feel more open and positive about it. This isn't about pretending that money grows on trees, but rather understanding its flow in and out of your life as part of a larger, abundant universe. You move from thinking thoughts like money is the root of all evil to more empowering beliefs such as money is a tool for doing good. This shift in mindset is crucial because it changes the energy you're sending out into the world. By focusing on abundance and seeing money as an ally, you're inviting more of it into your life. It's about recognizing that wealth isn't just about having money, but feeling rich in all aspects of your life. This transformation in how you perceive money paves the way for real financial prosperity to manifest. Sign 3. Unexpected monetary finds. Finding money, especially coins, in unexpected places is like a wink from the universe, hinting that financial abundance is on its way. It's not about the amount, whether it's a penny or a dollar bill. It's the universe's way of showing you that prosperity is within your reach. Think of it as a reminder to stay open to abundance in all its forms. Each coin found is like a seed of wealth the universe is planting in your life, encouraging you to acknowledge and appreciate the abundance that's flowing towards you. It's a tangible sign to keep your spirits high and your heart ready for the wealth that's coming. If you want to attract money easily starting today, check link in comments below to know the shocking wealth secrets revealed by rogue NASA scientist. Sign 4. Opening doors of opportunity. Suddenly, new opportunities start popping up in your life. Job offers, business ventures, or investment chances that seem tailor-made for you. It's as if the universe has crafted these opportunities to guide you towards financial success. This isn't coincidence. It's synchronicity in action, a concept Neville Goddard highlighted as evidence of the universe's guiding hand. These opportunities are your invitation to step into a flow of prosperity, urging you to take bold steps forward. By embracing these chances with enthusiasm and confidence, you're saying yes to the universe's offer of abundance. Sign 5. Encounters with the number 7. Seeing the number 7 repeatedly is like receiving a secret message from the universe. In many spiritual traditions and teachings, including those explored by Neville Goddard, the number 7 symbolizes completion, spiritual awakening, and the manifestation of our desires into reality. If you start noticing 7s everywhere, on clocks, license plates, or receipts, Consider it a sign that your financial and spiritual paths are aligning. It's a nudge to keep trusting in the abundant flow of the universe and to stay attuned to the subtle energies that guide your journey towards prosperity. Sign 6. Easier conquering of challenges. When obstacles and challenges start feeling less overwhelming and more like stepping stones, it's a signal that you're being readied for forthcoming wealth. This smoother navigation through difficulties implies that the universe is supporting you, guiding you on your journey to abundance. It's as if each conquered challenge adds another layer of resilience and confidence, empowering you to embrace the prosperity that's on its way. This resilience attests to your alignment with the universe's plan for your abundance, encouraging you to view hurdles as opportunities for growth and transformation. Sign 7. Deepening inner tranquility. Cultivating a profound sense of inner peace regarding your financial future is a potent indication that prosperity is approaching. This tranquility stems from a deep-rooted belief in the universe's abundance, reflecting Neville Goddard's teachings on the significance of inner harmony and trust in the universe's support. This growing calmness signals that you're in sync with the flow of abundance, ready to welcome the wealth that's aligning with your energy. It serves as a reminder that releasing anxious grasping and trusting in the universe's timing allows prosperity to flow naturally into your life. Sign 8. Fortuitous alignments. When the right individuals, opportunities, and resources begin aligning with your needs at precisely the right moment, it's a clear sign that the universe is choreographing your path to wealth. These alignments aren't mere coincidences, but indications that you're moving in harmony with the universe's abundant energy. It feels as though everything is falling into place effortlessly, guiding you closer to your financial goals. This seamless convergence of factors in your favor is the universe's way of ensuring you have all you need to succeed and thrive. Sign 9. Heightened intuition. Observing that your intuition is becoming more pronounced and leading you towards beneficial choices is a sign of impending wealth. This heightened sense of inner knowing enables you to navigate decisions with confidence, assured that you're moving in the right direction. It's as if the universe is communicating directly with you, providing guidance through your gut feelings. Neville Goddard emphasized the power of intuition as a connection to the higher self and the universe. Trusting these intuitive nudges can lead you towards opportunities and decisions that align with abundance. Sign 10. Spontaneous gratitude. Experiencing a surge of gratitude for the blessings already present in your life acts as a magnet for more abundance. This isn't about forced thankfulness, but a genuine appreciation that arises naturally, making you feel wealthy in spirit and prepared for financial abundance. Recognizing the richness of your current life, friends, family, moments of joy, shifts your vibration to match the frequency of abundance. This spontaneous gratitude signals to the universe that you're ready for more blessings, aligning you with the flow of prosperity. Sign 11. Recognizing the value of small victories. Treating minor successes as major accomplishments is vital for drawing in larger triumphs, including financial prosperity. Each small triumph, whether completing a project, sticking to a budget, or receiving positive feedback, propels you forward towards greater abundance. It's embracing and cherishing these moments that amplify your positive energy, attracting more of what you celebrate. This practice aligns with the universe's principle of gratitude and abundance, urging you to find satisfaction and fulfillment in the journey toward your financial objectives. Sign 12. Heightened occurrence of coincidences. A surge in meaningful coincidences or synchronicities in your life indicates that you're in tune with the universe's abundant energy. These coincidences serve as the universe's way of affirming that you're on the right path, guiding you towards your financial destiny. Whether it's encountering someone who can aid in your career, stumbling upon information that leads to a financial opportunity, or simply feeling a sense of alignment, these synchronicities are confirmations from the universe that prosperity is imminent. Sign 13. Enhanced manifestation ability. Noticing that your capacity to manifest your desires into reality, particularly concerning financial goals, is becoming more potent, signifies that wealth is approaching. This means that your thoughts, combined with action, are powerfully attracting the circumstances you seek. It's a testament to your increasing alignment with the universe's laws of attraction, as emphasized in Neville Goddard's teachings. By visualizing your financial success and taking tangible steps towards it, you're unlocking the gates for abundance to flow into your life. Sign 14. Heightened joy and optimism. Experiencing a natural surge in joy, enthusiasm, and optimism about your future, particularly regarding financial matters, indicates that abundance is on its way. This vibrant energy not only uplifts your spirits, but also draws positive circumstances and opportunities towards you. It's akin to being on the same wavelength as abundance, where your optimistic outlook acts as a magnet for prosperity. This joyful anticipation of what lies ahead is a clear indication that you're prepared to welcome the wealth that the universe has in store for you. Sign 15. Shift in core beliefs about money. You come to realize that your fundamental beliefs about money have transformed. Gone is the nagging guilt associated with receiving unexpected large sums. Instead, you understand that you shape your own reality, and your persistent thoughts of positive flow and abundance have attracted a stream of income beyond your wildest dreams. When you truly begin to feel like a different version of yourself, no longer emanating that sense of anxiety and scarcity, you're essentially projecting the energy of someone else. And from that, you'll manifest a different reality. You've become someone who naturally embodies the mindset, thoughts, and emotions of someone for whom wealth flows effortlessly and abundantly. Trust in this belief, and you'll witness it materialize before your eyes. If you're observing any or all of these indicators consistently, congratulations. You're reshaping your reality through your thoughts, utilizing the law of attraction. The universe eagerly responds by providing you with evidence of your alignment, and wealth is indeed making its way to you. However, keep in mind, the universe operates impartially for everyone. It's interconnected with you and everything else. You are essentially the universe, capable of living the life you've always dreamt of. The key is to learn how to synchronize your thoughts and emotions with the frequency of the reality you desire. It's all within reach. You just need to welcome it in. And if you want to attract money easily starting today, check link in comments below to know the shocking wealth secrets revealed by rogue NASA scientist. As we wrap up our exploration of the 15 indicators signaling impending wealth, drawing inspiration from the teachings of Neville Goddard, we trust you're feeling empowered to welcome the abundance destined for you. Be vigilant for these signs in your daily life, allowing them to steer you towards prosperity. If this journey has resonated with you, please show your support by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Your encouragement fuels our ability to share further insights and sustain our collective pursuit of abundance. Remember, each sign bestowed upon you by the universe propels you closer to the prosperity meant specifically for you. Stay receptive, appreciative, and ready to embrace all the blessings on their way to you. We appreciate your presence on this journey. Until we reconvene, continue attuning yourself to the universe's messages, letting words for life illuminate your path towards a future brimming with abundance.